back to the Xhausted channel, folks. We are gonna start this video off by taking this little engine off the go-kart and installing the trumpeter.
Look at this.
The little engine that could.
Look at this. Look at it. Look at the color. Look at it.
The little engine that could.
If you haven't seen the previous video, go check it out. It was first startup. That thing ran absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing.
It was fun.
And I know this is another day, but it was done just over there just a few moments ago.
Yeah, right. Just a few moments ago.
And we're still on up. Yeah, the only prep work we've done is he just took the, I guess, clutch.
Yeah, variator maybe.
Whatever.
Part of the torque converter, half of the equation.
Yeah, the high output torque converter.
Driver.
Yeah.
I bet you.
Yeah. Because this thing, look, it does have the high output.
Yeah, torch converter.
Torch converter.
Yeah. Torch converter going on this, and then this going on that.
That's right.
And we'll be back in just a minute when we get our tools and stuff together to actually take this thing off.
Let's get it.
Good?
Let's get it. Let's get it.
All right.
What we got, Steven?
We got most of everything took off of here, and
we unbolted everything.
yeah, unbolted the motor.
She's ready to be lifted.
There it is.
Oh, you got it. I got it.
Zip
Oh,
tie.
shit. Here.
I got it.
Oh, thank God it was dry rotted then.
Yeah, I used might. All right, so now we're gonna put the little trumpet engine that could in the same spot. It's that. It's still warm.
Hopefully the foot pegs mount right. Oh yeah, slid right on it. Look at that.
I know, I want to crank it already, but I shouldn't.
No, gotta bolt it down.
I need to flip that recoil around like.
Oh
But
yeah.
But yeah, other than that, she bad.
Yeah, gotta just turn that. That ain't nothing to turn around.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing.
Nitrous bottle.
Oh yeah. Don't give away. Don't give away all the secrets.
God, son.
Yeah. All right.
Nitrous bottle heater.
Yep.
Same. Not as aggressive as a torch, but it'll work.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get this mug bolted down, wired up.
Yeah.
Foot.
I didn't do that. I just touched it.
It just settled down a little bit better.
Yes.
A little bit more better.
Good,
it's good. All right, we're gonna get this thing bolted up, and we're gonna be doing some driveway shenanigans.
Yeah, something.
We gotta tighten up the shocks first.
It's gotta at least roll.
Yeah.
That'll be better than what the other one was doing.
Yeah, it's way better than. Or is that one?
The CMXX.
Yeah. Chinese.
208 cc's, and we're about to go to a
224 right now. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
Till you put nitrous on it, and its self clearance is a little bit.
Yeah. A
All right.
little better than it was.
All right, we're gonna get bolted up, get everything slapped together, and we'll be right back. You good?
Yeah,
Anything to add?
I'm good.
All right.
So we got all the work done.
Yep.
Pretty much on there.
Yep. It's only been what, 30 minutes?
Not even probably.
She ready to go.
Very easy.
You turn it on. I don't know if we even turn it off, but yeah.
Yes, I'll choke it for a. That will warm up.
Yeah, yeah. Well, all right, folks. While you couldn't see or hear any of that, I'm sorry for the headphone users that are in play right now. But
107 decibels of glory.
Woo!
Almost.
Yeah, that thing about ran into the wall. No, he revved it, and we weren't even thinking about holding on to it.
You sure it wouldn't even take off?
That thing took off.
Thing's got a little
Pep in her step. Yeah.
All right.
Let's get it out here. We need light. We ain't got no light up here.
I know, but
because it is dark.
I can get a really loud draggy test.
The concrete done dried up.
Oh yeah, it won't take long.
I don't know. It was raining though, is the thing.
Oh yeah. I got to get it out there and see what it acts like under load.
Yeah. Oh, we gotta get the draggy. Alright, we're gonna get the draggy set up. If you don't know what a draggy is, this is a draggy. Draggy. You pair it to your phone. It is magnetic.
Yeah, clink it on.
Sticks anywhere that's magnetic, and it's accurate, very, very accurate to a quarter-mile test, or really anything. It is. It's GPS. It's GPS basically. But yeah. I'm gonna slap it right there on the dash.
Perfect placement. Get this thing outside because I know it ain't gonna pick up in the building.
Yeah. I need some slicks on this thing.
About to make some.
Did you see the rubber you left? Yeah.
Oh wow. It didn't even take the paint off the floor.
That's some soft tires.
That is a soft tire.
She won't take long to be a slick on this.
No.
I don't.
Cool though.
Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have entered the nighttime portion of the video.
And once this thing decides to do its thing.
Where's your light? Your light ain't lighting. There it is.
It's lit. Yeah, this thing takes some time sometimes. We're pretty rural.
Is it dead? It ain't on.
Yeah, it's not lit up. That is a
possibility.
Yeah. Ain't been used in a long time.
It happened.
It's been
Alright, we're gonna go do some troubleshooting on this real quick, and we'll be right back.
So, test concluded. We got 31 mile an hour from 22 mile an hour.
Yeah.
So, big gain
improvement.
There. Feels way torquier. I mean, it's got the snap. But I think we're a little lean because of the exhaust modification. So we could richen it up a little bit. And then I think the governor needs to be like disabled. Yeah. Disable that. And then we'll see what it does again.
Yeah.
Yeah. Next video.
Yeah. I kind of showed it quick. I think it's still there. Let's see. Hang on, pulling up my phone.
Yeah, mid-range. Mid-range power is kind of a dud.
31 mile an hour. Kind of hard to read. I'll take a screenshot. Throw it up on the screen. So yeah. Yeah,
mid-range power is kind of a dud, but I think that's partly the torque converter and belt, and partly because it's lean.
Yeah.
So, but other than that, it's sick. Throws fire out the tailpipe.
That's great.
I mean, who can't love that?
Oh yeah. By the way, the draggy was dead.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't used it in so long. It was dead. So I just downloaded the drag racer app or whatever just to measure speed.
Yeah. She's snappy low end though.
That thing snapped frame right in half. That thing.
It was rocking it.
Yes. Like that.
It was doing more than that. Man.
Yeah.
When you were in it.
It was throwing me forward bad.
Because you were sagging her down.
Yeah.
And then it was completely raising the suspension all the way back up.
Yeah.
It was over torquing the load. It was cool. It was cool. It's got a lot of potential.
Yeah.
A lot more potential than I anticipated.
Not more than the one right behind the nasty fan. The shop fan.
Oh yeah, that little over there is a dud. It's a dud.
Alright, but that was it. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Let us know what you want to see. If you've been contemplating getting one of these and you don't
Yeah.
You don't want to damage it with your own money? Let us damage it with our money.
Right. And then next video, gonna get rid of the governor and try to richen this thing up a little bit and see if we can't get 32 mile an hour instead of 31 because it's better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need valve float in our lives.
Yeah. Once I reach valve float, I'll get stiffer springs. Yeah. Yeah. Until then, keep it clean the dishes.
Alright, later.
Later.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone?